We want more green spaces, but cities are facing environmental degradation. Paris's goal is to ensure more green spaces by 2030, but the lack of smart tools can hinder Paris for achieving its goal. Emerging nature restoration and ecosystem resilience legislation require local governments to increase the number of green spaces and to populate them with native flora and fauna. With this, local governments and landscape designers are facing increased workload, but also a change how they work. There are no tools. There are no smart tools today to accommodate this change. And it is still a manual work to collect soil, climate and infrastructure data to match native plant communities and calculate their quantities, but also to describe requirements and to ensure compliance with the requirements of a green space. As a solution, we are developing an automated and data-driven landscape planning software service, which would combat the degradation of green spaces, hold the loss of biodiversity, and ensure sustainability in planning. Antscape has quickly grown interest among its potential customers, and these are the numbers that represent the sign-ups for test cases within last month. We differentiate from other service providers by using actual location data, by considering and mitigating ecological risks, and integrating native plant databases. Our service will help to generate all the necessary documentation as well. Our business model ensures collaboration between local governments, landscape art designers, and plant breeders. Local governments will use a service when they are describing conditions for a green space and evaluating the compliance of received green space plan. Local landscape designers will use the service when they are designing and planning a green space. And plant breeders will get all the necessary information from our service to be able to ensure availability of plants. Together with beta users, we are refining our prototype to test it in real life. We aim to ensure limited release capability by the end of this year to the first paying customers. Our core team has interdisciplinary expertise, and in addition, we have insured advisors from Estonia and Sweden to help us through the startup phase. We will make the most of every greenery.